And we're gonna keep on going through Canggu, and we're kind of close to the beach, so I turned the camera back on again. This is called Old Man's. This was really busy last night. Looks like there's people here today in the daytime too. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Daytime too. And the beach is straight ahead, you can see it. Old Man's guy with a beard. Could be all of us someday. That's what I recommend. Okay. Looks like they charge for parking. So we're gonna go straight down and walk around. Dang, it looks nice here. And this is the beach. Walk. Wow, look at that. It's really nice. The water comes up through quite a ways too. Okay. This is nice. Okay, we're gonna another way to go up that way too. We're gonna walk through this way. See if we can there we go. The water really comes up far. Alright. Good surf beach. Okay.
Ini kasihnya. Hah?
Okay. So we could definitely walk all the way down there. This is the taste of the beach. So we're gonna walk up this way a little bit, up into whatever this is. Check it out, and then we'll get our first taste of the beach. Okay, looks like that's the parking lot. And this is just a temple, I guess. It's cool. Alright, so that's Canggu Beach. I'm gonna get something to eat and come back later.